Welcome back to Sarah Burhart's YouTube channel. So today we're going to be showing you how to make a DIY needle, and we're going to be showing you all my fidgets. So let's get started. First we're going to be making a DIY needle. So all you're going to need is some shaving cream, 2 tiny bowls, a spoon, a balloon, and an extra one, and a cup. So first we're going to get the balloon with a shaving cream.
Beverly, can I ask you something?
And we're just gonna get that, and I'm gonna put it to where it's like kind of all the way to the bottom. I'm not gonna put it all the way to the bottom. We're just gonna get it, and it's gonna kind of put it over the whole.
You know what you should do? You should stretch it out first. You should put some.
Stop! Guys, welcome back to Sarah Bernhardt's YouTube channel. So today we're going to be showing you how to make a homemade needle, and we're going to be showing you all my fidgets. So first we're going to make the needle. Let's get started. So all you're going to be needing is 2 cans of shaving cream. I'm only using 2 just in case.
Where did you get the shaving cream?
I got it from the store, and it was only 99 cents. I got it from the 99-cent store in Ventura. And it was really, really good. And it really
What about the other stuff? Do you get everything mostly there?
Yeah, I got these containers there, and this was from my house. And these 2 items were from my house also.
Oh, Beverly, can I get a question, please?
Yeah.
What exactly are we making again?
We're going to be making a homemade needle. And it's a fidget toy that you can squish, and it's really satisfying.
Let's see it.
Okay. So first we're going to go ahead and get a color balloon. I have this one that has some sparkles in it. And
Where did you get that one?
I got this one from the 99-cent store also.
Oh, does it have any scent to it, Beverly?
This one doesn't have any scent, but that's why I bought this specific kind of shaving cream, because it smells like raspberries, and it's really good.
Yeah, that's a great choice.
So first we're going to get any kind of balloon. I'm using teal because teal is my favorite color, and turquoise. So first we're just going to get the balloon, and we're going to put it over the whole top of the shaving cream.
You have to stretch it out first.
Oh yeah, I forgot to do that part. So I'm going to get it, and it's going to stretch it out.
Good job.
And then you're going to blow it.
Oh, yeah. Blow it up, girl. Yeah,
and
perfect.
let it out slowly.
Yeah.
Try not to spit in it next time, Beverly.
Huh?
Try not to spit in it. Just blow a little bit.
Just blow.
So put it on the top all the way, and then get it, and kind of push a little bit of that, pull it down a little bit more. Okay, now go ahead and press it, and then just let it fill up.
It looks like it's kind of hard.
It's a little hard.
Looks like you had an accident, Beverly. Are you sure you know what you're doing?
It's like slowly coming out. It looks so satisfying. So you're gonna. So I think this is my personal best way how to make slime, because you don't have to stir it. You just add some glue and activator into a balloon. And my aunt did this, so now we're gonna take it out and let's see how it came. Oh. It's really hard to take out, so I'm gonna go ahead and go get some scissors real quick. I got scissors. Oh. Wow, and it looks like she made some really good grains on it. So, wow. Some really good.
Explain.
So how we made this one is we just added about a cup and a half of glue, and then we added so a little bit of borax, about 4 teaspoons of borax, and it came up to this. It's a really good and stretchy slime. Comment down below, what's your favorite slime? Shaving. So now
The slime.
yeah, the slime. So this slime's really, really good. Here.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, this is delicious.
I think I'm going to add a little bit of shaving cream to this little bit and see what will happen. So we actually have some shaving cream for my son. I have about a bit. But let's just add a little bit in here. Ooh. I'm going to add a tiny bit to see how it will go. Ooh, that looks really satisfying.